and welcome to another episode of A to Z. I'm Ann. I am an affiliate manager at Apogee.
And I'm Lindsay. I'm the outreach manager here at Apogee.
So, what does that mean, Lindsay? You do what for us?
Essentially, I do the recruiting. I'm the person that goes and checks out everybody's site and sees that I think you would be a great fit for one of our programs and invites you to join.
Yeah, cool deal. So, today we are here to talk to you about the 10 things we wish we'd known about affiliate marketing when we were bloggers. So, Lindsay and I have both been blogging a long time. Lindsay, tell us about your sites.
Yeah, so I started actually as a business blogger like almost 15 years ago, and then got into kind of more of a lifestyle, food, travel, fitness type of blog about 10 years ago. But it hasn't been until the past year or so that I really kind of started learning about affiliate marketing. And of course, being a part of Apogee has been a huge part of that. And so I thought this was a great training because the people that I know, a lot of the people in our networks are bloggers. And I just have been so eye-opening, all the things that I wish that I had known for the last 10 years um, as as just a blogger.
And I hate to use marketing buzzword, but it is a real paradigm shift. I mean, you don't know what you don't know. We think a certain way. I've been blogging for 10 years this year. And when I started implementing affiliate marketing as a new source of revenue, I did everything wrong, I feel like. And that's kind of what we're here to talk about with you, the watcher, the audience, so you can uh, sidestep some of the things that we did wrong.
Right.
So let's just jump right into it.
Okay, so I have my list here. So the very first thing that I wish that I had known. So if I think back when I was blogging, I would get these emails inviting me to this program, and because I was so mindful to sponsored content and stuff like that, I thought they were asking me to make all new content. And so, tip number one of the thing that I wish I had known is that you can use your already amazing content that's already getting traffic to do affiliate links and begin earning immediately.
Right. So say you've got a roundup for spring fashions, and Lindsay contacts you and invites you to join our one of our programs that has great shoes in it that are perfect for spring. Um, Certainly add it into what you've already got going. It's so easy to just slot it into any kind of thing that you've got that is similar. We've picked you for a reason. If you write about dogs, we've got two dog programs. That's why we picked you. If you've ever talked about something even close to what we've got, put it on in there in multiple different posts. Things that are already driving traffic can help you make affiliate commissions right away.
Right. Tip number two is that you can make new content. And so, those two kind of go together. If you have already existing great content, go ahead and add that in there. But if the pitch that I send you maybe makes you think of something new, or maybe you're familiar with the brand, but you've never tried a specific product or something like that, you can create new content because that's not only going to give you another opportunity to earn, but it's also going to help with your search engine and stuff like that for the old content as well.
Gosh, I would love it if you would right away. People join a program and they don't know what to do, and then they just stay in the program forever, and they're not producing. If they have something, it's not converting, or don't have anything, so they're not getting clicks. This is a good time to send me an email, and I can give you some ideas for content. And let me tell you what people are searching for. People are searching for the brand name and review. That is a really good one. So
Right. Or
especially
comparison.
a product name and
Yes.
the product name, brand name, review. It's solid gold, baby. Go for it. Do that thing.
Well, and speaking of sending you an email, if you create new content, send that email to or send that content to your affiliate manager, because they may have other opportunities. They may send you to the brand. We've had people who the brand has featured them on their social media and stuff, so it just kind of opens up more opportunities. So if you do create new content, make sure you send that to your affiliate manager as well.
And it lets me know you're serious. And that way, if I have, if I never have product, but if occasionally I do, if I do have product, then that puts you at the top of my list to get some of it. Also, it lets me know you're serious. And if I ever have any bonus opportunities, if I ever have an opportunity to raise a commission, I'm coming straight to you because I know
Well,
you're a serious affiliate.
we recently had a brand change a significant amount of things. And so when they do that, we need to be able to reach out to people that we know are already active in the program and say, hey, guess what? This is super exciting. This is something new, and may have an opportunity to work together a lot more directly in that way too.
Yep.
Awesome. Um, This one's fun. And this is so you can put more than one affiliate program in a single post.
And this is like a basic thing that I think illustrates the difference between thinking like a blogger and thinking like an affiliate. When I was a blogger, and when you do sponsored posts, goodness gracious, I would never mention another brand. I would go out of my way not to mention another brand. But when you're doing an affiliate post, mix them all in. Put in some Amazon, put in some competitors with your direct affiliate links. uh, Let your reader decide. Give your reader choices. Don't limit your reader. Let them pick, and you're free to do. You're the boss with affiliate marketing. You get to choose how many links, what kind, what your content is. It's all about your choices, which is it's nice. It's freeing. But it's almost like it's a lot. It's a whole new frontier.
Well, it is, like you said, it's freeing. It gives you more control of your business, of your content. One of the biggest things about affiliate marketing is solving problems. People go to Google, they go to Pinterest, they go to Facebook or whatever to find solutions to problems or to be inspired or to find information. We are an information resource. And so if there are programs that you're in that are similar to one another, they can both be in, and you have the opportunity to earn over and over and over and over again on one post. So we have a lot of things that are related, like all of our food stuff, all of our beauty stuff, all of our automotive stuff. We have two in pet. Like we have these kind of couplings as well. And you can put those all together. I remember when I was doing sponsored posts, I remember spending hours editing photos, trying to blur out competitor brands
Yeah.
and other related things and stuff. And so it's really neat and kind of, you said, freeing to be able to put that all in one.
And you're not doing an advertisement. You don't have to. Isn't it nice to not have to act excited about a brand new yogurt? You're just saying, hey, this is a product that exists. Here are the features. I tried it or I didn't try it, but you might like this about it. You don't have to test everything, because I guarantee on your website you've written about things you haven't bought yourself. You've got your fashion roundup. I bet you didn't buy every single thing in it. You're telling people snakeskin is in for spring. You didn't buy every piece of snakeskin out there to test it.
Or these earrings would look great. Doesn't mean they're in your jewelry box.
Yeah, I've talked about jewelry, and I can't wear jewelry. So, but other people, I'm solving a problem for my audience.
Right. The earrings would look great.
They make your whole face sparkle.
All right. Number 4 is one of my favorites, and probably one of the biggest eye-opening things for me is that your invitation to join a program was not random. So when I was blogging, I mean, and still get literally hundreds of emails a day. And there's even been times that we've kind of poked fun at the emails that we've received. Now, granted, even I have sent a few out that people are like, really, that's related? And I'm like, nope, you're right, it's really not.
Yeah.
So there, again, there's always a human behind the screen. But what has been really neat is being able to target. Okay, I have a pet brand that I want to reach out for. So I get to scour the internet looking for the best of the best that have pets, that have featured pets or talk about their pets or whatever. And so if you have received an email from me or from another affiliate program or whatever, and they've said, we think you would be great, they mean it. Like it's real. It wasn't just your name on a list somewhere.
And sometimes mistakes happen. So to the person who's a vegan for whom I sent out an invitation to join our meat club, sorry, ma'am. Things happen. Although typically that are things that we check for. I do look for when I was recruiting, I would look on somebody's recipe site and see that they weren't a teetotaler before I invited them to join the wine program. But mistakes happen. Be
Well,
nice.
and also, and this I can speak to kind of personally, is that sometimes your blog evolves.
Mm.
And so what I may find in my search is content that you used to speak about. And it may have been 5 years for you, but we know that Google likes to keep that stuff for a long, long time. So I actually had a conversation with someone that I sent an invitation to. They said, why would you think? And I said, well, actually, because this post, and she was like, oh my gosh, I read that in 2014. I'm like,
It's still ranking. That's how we found you.
can you add this link to it? I think it'd be
Yeah.
what actually ended up happening, even though that wasn't necessarily the content she was still working on. She was like, you're right. I mean, it gets a few hits of traffic, which we'll talk more about that in a little bit. But that's actually going to be the second part of this series. We forgot to say in the beginning that this is a 2-part series. So the last one for today, and another biggie, and this one would have made such a huge difference, is that you can email share a sale links.
I just had a conversation with somebody about this yesterday. They had just gotten the hand slap email from Amazon, and they didn't know that they couldn't email their links. And Amazon is very, very particular about where you use their links. You can't put it anywhere except for, you can't put an Amazon affiliate link anywhere but on the website with which you have signed up to the Amazon affiliate program. The exception is you can create, if you have an influencer account, you can send the link to your influencer page. But Amazon has so many rules. You can't put their links in ebooks. You can't send them in your email. It can't go out if you syndicate your RSS through email. You have to strip those links out. So it's a big mess. It's a lot of trouble. So that's why we like if you work with us, you're working with companies that are fine with you putting out the links into your email. So it's another way for you to monetize your emails directly. Otherwise, you have to just drive that traffic to your website, to the post that has links in it. And
Right.
sometimes you don't get 2 clicks. Sometimes you only get 1 click.
Yes. You also cannot use a shortener. That was another big one too.
Yes.
I had a friend whose entire Amazon account got shut down because she was using Pretty Links Pro, which is one of our absolute favorite tools and one that we recommend daily.
For affiliate marketing, I don't recommend that you spend money on much, but Pretty Links Pro is worth the money.
Definitely one of them, yeah. But you cannot do Amazon. You can do all of our programs, share sale, reversion.
Yes, you can cloak the links. You can cloak our links. In fact, ShareASell has a link cloaker, a link shortener built in to where you get a little license plate link that's just a few characters instead of the whole big stream of characters. But and by cloaking your links, that includes Bitly. You cannot put Amazon links. You cannot cloak them through Bitly.
Right. The shortener comes in handy with social. I do Instagram a lot, and being able to know exactly what my link is, so it's my blog / whatever word I create for it, is so easy for the swipe up. But being able to send it out on email, I have been building an email list for 10 years. And while there may not be hundreds of millions of thousands of people on there, the people that are on there are engaged. And they do click through. And so being able, I think all the emails that I've sent out over the last 10 years, even if I could have just put like one link in them, what a huge difference that would have made.
Better to have a list of 1,000 that's very responsive and that buys from you than to have 1,000,000 people who don't open it or don't click. You're paying for dead wood in that case. And
right.
Why do you have your email list? To make you money one way or another. And if you haven't built a list that's making you money, you need to build a list that does.
Well, and especially because again, we train them. We train our email list,
Yep.
and
You train them to shop from you.
yes, we have a whole training as another part of A to Z that's going to be, involving that or whatever. That's an upcoming one, but most definitely, again, you're a resource. And so whatever it is that you share, whether it's strictly on social media, whether you host your own blog, of course, we're talking kind of sort of directly to bloggers as bloggers, current and former, but people know you, love you, trust you, and that's why they come to you. That's why they follow you. That's why they connected with you at any level, whether it was signing up for your email or, liking your Facebook page or following you on Instagram or whatever it was. And so this is, again, just another opportunity to kind of show that you're the expert. You've sourced the best of the best. And again, you can do that.
Yep. And if they're not there because they love you, then at least twirl on your haters.
A goofball. Well, those are our 5. We wanted to break this up into kind of two bits because we're throwing a lot of information out there. So just to recap again, first, number 1, you can put links in your old content, or you can create new content. And if you do, make sure you send it to us. You can put more than one program in a single post. Your invitation was not random. I looked for you. I liked you. I sent it out. And you can email share a sale links. So we will have our next video. We'll have number 6 through 10.
Yep. Catch the second part. Don't miss it. Don't miss a thing. Also, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Share it everywhere. It's far and wide. Thanks, you guys.
See you next time.